This is the student Jimi Hendrix, and Jimi Hendrix now is going to configure the Nextcloud in his Ubuntu system. So the easiest way to do it is to go here on Settings, then you go to Online Accounts, and you go to Nextcloud. So here we put the TU Ilmenau server, which is cloud.tu-ilmenau.de. Here you put your username and your password, and then you connect. So now I have my Nextcloud configured. If I click here, I see that I have files, documents, contacts, and calendar. You can also remove the account. Now here, if you open your files, I will have here my cloud with all my files and folders. And after the instructor shared the seminar folders with you, you will find, for example, for audio coding seminars, for ADSP seminars, have in mind that you should not edit or change anything inside these folders. NBGrader will do this for us. NBGrader is responsible for all the file management between your working folder and the shared folder. So you work on your local working folder completely separate from this here, from Nextcloud. Then when you're done and you want to submit, or when you want to fetch, NBGrader will do this for you and copy files from here to there. So don't change any files here. The maximum what you need to do perhaps is to change permissions, but we'll come to this later on if needed. So now we have our Nextcloud here, and we can move on to configure NBGrader. Just so you know, this folder is mounted in your system, so you're accessing Nextcloud as if it would be a local folder in your computer, but it's not. We can, for example, open this folder in the terminal, and here we see that this is the path to this folder, and inside this folder we have, for example, ADSP seminar. So this is the folder we are going to use with NBGrader, and this is the path that we are going to put into our NBGrader configuration file. So NBGrader knows which folder is going to use to submit and to fetch assignments.